In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your Hostinger email password. Updating your password regularly is one of the simplest and most effective ways to keep your account secure. Whether you think your account may have been accessed by someone else or you simply want a fresh password for better protection, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. This is where you will access all the tools you need for managing your account. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click on the Login button. Enter your Hostinger credentials, including your username and your current password. To sign in after logging in, you will be taken to the Hostinger control panel, commonly called the H panel. This dashboard contains everything related to your website hosting, domains, email services, and account security. From here, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. It may show your initials, a photo, or a simple user symbol. This will open a drop-down menu containing your account options. Next, select the menu item labeled Account Information. This section is important because it contains your personal details and security settings. Keeping this section up to date helps ensure your Hostinger account stays protected at all times. Within the Account Information section, you will see an option for password settings. Go ahead and click on the password option to bring up the fields where you can change your current email password. Before creating your new password, take a moment to think of something strong and secure. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters along with numbers. Creating a strong password makes it much harder for anyone to access your account without permission. Once you have a password ready, type it into the required fields and double check for accuracy. It is always a good idea to confirm that both fields match to avoid login issues later. When everything looks correct, click the Save button to apply your new password. Hostinger will immediately update your password, and from now on, you will use the new one whenever you log in, and that is all it takes. You have successfully changed your Hostinger email password. Making small updates like this every few months is a simple habit that keeps your online account safe and secure. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to explore my other videos for more easy Hostinger guides. And if you ever need help with another setting, just let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help.